President William Ruto niwaendeea na kutetea Walanio wa Nyota ula kieleelo kyaw'o ni kumanenga amuika ilovia kwambiisya viasala na kwiyukilya kiukwati. Aatianiite na munini wake Kithure Kindiki Magavana Kivathukan'yo na ambunge na atongoi angi kyathini kya kumanenga amuika ilovia syukanitye na Walanio President Ruto niwasya kana mulatio wa Nyota ati Maundu ma Uteti ni kundu wa kukilya amuika na kwailya unewo mwaka mweu ni mwandiki witu wa mauvo
na kyathini kya kumanenga amuika ilovia ile inenganitwe ni serikali nthini wa Walanio wa Nyota kyathi kila kya kumania amuika kuma kauntini ya Ilovia Kajiado ndumwe na kaunti ya Kiambu. President William Ruto ni watetea iseso hii na kuzitanisya viasala na siasa indi no kundu wa kukilya amuika kiukwati.
This is not about politics. Kwa sababu mimi naona watu wengi wanaongea mambo ya bure ya siasa. This is not about political parties. This is not about politics. This is not about the next election. This is about this generation and the next generation and the future of our country.
President Ruto ni Aiweta kana thina munene na ula utungite itina maundu ma maendeleo vanthi ya Kenya nikila ivinda atongoi kwithiwa maitwa cia siasa vandu va kuthukuma Aiweta kana uthukumi wa serikali yake ti kundu wa kwikunia maleve indi no kwa kutethia mwene nthi.
For a very long time, everything we do is about politics and about the next election. And that is why we never succeed. This time round, we are running programs that are not about politics, that are not about the next election. We want to focus on how to move Kenya to the next level. And I am confident that we are going to move this country to the next level.
Kavindane kau President Ruto ni Aiweta kana na mwikio nthi ya Kenya ni kuthikukila kiukwati na vala serikali ivangite kunyaicha mbewa silingi bilioni 5.5 mulatini uyo wa Nyota amuika mbewa ngili ya na yimwe na 10 maitetheka.
Pesa ambayo tumeweka katika hii program ni shilingi bilioni 5.5. We are going to give 5.5 billion to 110,000 young people in this program from the age of 29 years and below. Kenya hii, we are going to change it one step at a time, one program at a time, one cohort at a time, and I am confident that we are going to change Kenya in our lifetime.
Munini wa President Kithure Kindiki ikathia muradi uyu wa Nyota kwa kwithiwa utavathula ala ameukwata ilovia ithi.
Na hii Nyota program inaleta inclusivity katika mambo ya kusaidia vijana wetu wa taifa letu la Kenya. Huu mradi uko katika kila ward ya taifa la Kenya. It is an inclusive program that is taking 70 young business people from across our country.
Nilivotia vilingi wa muvo kuma kauntini ya Ilovia neta wa mwaka mweu.